Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm wondering where I am right now. So this is on the way to room tech side, and so just wanted to take a pic with this signboard. Come on. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is GTK Noob, and after a long time I'm making this vlog. That's my Z900, and that's my tank bag, which is supposed to be, this is my tail bag, which is supposed to be a tank bag. And yep, after I think few weeks I'm making this vlog. Actually what happened was, this camera which I'm using, it's the Hero 3 Plus, GoPro Hero 3 Plus. It's kind of busted. Sometimes it records, sometimes it does not. I don't know whether it's recording right now, but I don't know if I'll be able to see the raw footages later on, because it's just showing some glitch, you know. So for that reason I thought that I should get a new camera, so I just ordered GoPro Hero 8 a few days back, and then I've even ordered the microphone adapter and some of the accessories which goes with it. So let's see what's gonna happen, and I think it will be delivered by 2nd November next month. So waiting for that. So hopefully we'll be able to vlog in my new cam. And so anyways, is all good now. So this is kind of a new thing that I'm doing currently for my Instagram. Raining that side or what? So it's kind of drizzling on this side. It has actually become cold after yesterday. Yesterday was really warm and hot. Today it's kind of cold. Even I'm wearing 2 set of t-shirts inside. It's raining, so I think we should turn back from here. Let's not get wet. Let's go towards Gangtok side. The rain is coming. So recently I have been using 36-42 tire pressure, and yesterday it was 36 and 40. So maybe it's because of my weight that 40 on the rear seems to be really good tire pressure for me, for my weight. So I am 74 kgs, that is around like 165 lbs or 170 lbs. I don't remember the unit. I don't remember that unit. So I'm like 74-75 kgs. with the gear, with the riding gear. So without that I am 65 kg, so it's like 10 kgs with the riding gear. Just imagine that. So probably 40 is most suited for me. The 36 and 42 is actually the stock tire pressure, but since I'm using the Metzeler Rotex 01, the pressure recommendation by Metzeler is 36 and 40 to be exact. So I'm using that right now and it feels really nice. Yeah, very good in the corners. So it's not raining on this side. This is actually not rain, it's like the winter is coming. Yeah, Game of Thrones winter is coming. So it's, I think it's most probably people talk about snowing on top of the mountains. So because of that reason, this kind of drizzle happens on the lower side of the hill, I think. So if I'm incorrect, correct me if I'm wrong. Oh man, it's raining out here, drizzling out here. Ooh la la, definitely drizzling. I think it must not be raining on Gangtok side because it looks dry. Just out here it's kind of drizzling. So a little bit of drizzle is fine, unless out here I don't get wet in my underpants. Oh, and also I got my new visor, smoked dark visor, yesterday, and it's really nice, you know, if you're riding under a very scorching sun rays. So it prevents you from those harmful UV rays. Yeah, it's harmful. And it's like a breeze to ride under very sunny, under sunny day. Perfect place. So let's wipe my visor off. I don't like my visor dirty. So it's probably a good idea. Let's wipe first the action cam and then the visor. So what do you guys use for wiping your visor? I use this microfiber cloth only when only after I make the visor wet with my hands, you know, put a bit of water and then just wipe it. And after that, after filling the, you know, sediments which are sticking on the visor, I just rub them off slowly, lightly, and then after it goes off, I wipe with this microfiber cloth and then it's wiped clean. Otherwise you kind of scratch the visor. Trust me on that. Anyways, let's move on. So it's not raining on this side. We accomplished that on the other side. So probably head towards Gangtok. Ready to go, tank is full.